Hello dear students, Uh, now I will continue chapter differential equation and exercise 9.4 question from question 11. Okay, just we have already studied about solving differential equations by separable method. Variables are separable. When variables are separable, we can integrate by separating on both sides and adding some constants. We can get solution of differential equation. So here general solution contains number of one arbitrary constants for first order differential equation, and here from questions 11 for each of the differential particular solution we have to find. Particular solution means there will be a condition, given a condition, by using that condition we have to find value of constant and then put the constant in general solution, then that will be particular solution. Okay, so total this 9.4 chapter is completely based on variables as separable form. So here take solution. Question 11. Question 11. Okay. So given differential equation is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 into, totally depend on variables separable form. X cube x square plus x plus 1 equal to 2x square plus x dy upon dx equals to 2x square plus x. Okay, here also y equals to 1 when x equals to 0. This is condition. Okay, this is condition. When x equal to 0, y equals to 1 and 2x square plus x. 2x square plus x. So this is our given differential equation. So here very clear that it is separable form on first order. First order dy by dx equal to this total function of x, this is function of x in separable form. So for solving this differential equation, just separate variable. Separate means here we can write dy equals to 2x square plus x upon x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 dx. We can write like this. Variables are separable form. So separate this. Total function is of x. Now we have to integrate on both sides. So for integration of this second degree upon third degree polynomial. So for this integration of this, we have to use partial fraction. Main thing is this. Here integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides, we get what? Integration of dy equals to integration of 2x square plus x upon x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 dx plus some constant. Okay, now we can solve it. Y equals to integration of this. Main thing is that 2x square plus x upon x square can be taken common, x plus 1 here, x plus 1. So second degree upon third degree, we can partially fractate this 2x square plus x upon here x plus 1 and x square plus 1 dx plus c. Main thing is our integration. Now, how can we integrate this? So, partial fraction use here for integrating. So, for partial fraction, we know this is the integrand. So, let what? Let 2x square plus x upon x plus 1, x square plus 1, a upon linear factor x plus 1 plus x square plus 1 cannot be factorized as a real. So, just put here second degree factor complete and here a linear factor bx plus c. This is our supposition for partial fraction. After doing partial fraction, we can integrate it. So here, for as a rule, partial fraction just multiply by this on both sides. So we can get 2x square plus x equals to a into x square plus 1 plus b equals to into x plus not b, bx plus c. Sorry, bx plus c. bx plus c into x plus 1. Now right hand side, after multiplication, we can write as a x square plus a plus bx square plus cx plus bx plus c. Okay, we can write like this: a plus b x square, coefficient of x square. Okay. Now coefficient of x, a plus b, coefficient of x, b plus c, b plus cx plus a plus c. Okay, a plus c without constant, constant term, and b plus c x and a plus b x square. So left hand side also 2x square plus x. Now comparing the coefficient, comparing the coefficient of like powers of x, like powers of x in both sides. We get like power of x. So here a plus b equals to 2. A plus b equals to 2 and b plus c equals to 1. A plus b equals to 2, b plus c equals to 1 coefficient, and a plus c equals to 0. A plus c equals to 0. Now solving this three, just you can do in rough, as a rough work. So a plus b equals to 2. A plus b equals to 2, that means here a equals to minus c. We can write a equals to minus c from third. So here in first, minus c plus b equals to 2, and second b plus c equals to 2. B plus c equals to 1. So adding, cancel out, 2b equals to 3. So b equals to 3 by 2. 2b equals to 3, so b equals to 3 by 2. And if b equals to 3 by 2, b equals to 3 by 2, then c equals to what? C equals to 1 minus b, means 1 minus 3 by 2 means what? Minus half. So c equals to minus half. And a equals to minus c means half. So solving these, we get what? A equals to half, b equals to 3 by 2, c equals to minus half. solving this we get. Okay, now use this here and put here. So using we can write like this, integration of this is equals to this, a equals to half. So half 1 by 2 upon x plus 1. Okay, plus b equals to 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 x plus minus half upon x square plus 1 dx plus c. Using partial fraction. Using partial fraction. Okay, so y equals to this. Now our solution will be now solve this integral. Implies integral half 1 upon x plus 1 plus here first integral this 3 by 2 x upon this. So plus 3 by 2 x upon x square plus 1 dx. This by this. Okay, 3 by 2 x by x plus 1 plus or minus half integral of 1 upon x square plus 1 dx plus c. We can also write here 4 and here 2x. For setting, because we have to put this is equals to t, then 2x dx equals to dt. So 2x dx equals to dt here. So here half 1 upon x plus 1 log x plus 1, here 3 by 4 putting x plus 1 equals to t, 2x dx equal to dt, dt by t log of x square plus 1 minus half tan inverse x plus c. Okay, this is tan inverse x. Now this is our integration solution. Now this is equals to, we can write here y equals to this. Okay, half take common 1 by 2, then log of x plus 1 plus 3 log of x square plus 1 minus half tan inverse x plus c. Just we can also write it log of x plus 1 into x square plus 1 power 3 minus half tan inverse x plus c. We can write. Clear? Because 3 go to the power, so power and log a plus log b, log a into b, this. Okay, and now we have to find value of c by using this condition, because it is a particular solution. So here since y equals to 1 when x equals to 0, therefore y in place of y 1 equals to half log x equals to 0, that is 1 1 1 1 minus half tan inverse 0 plus c. Log 1 0, tan inverse 0 0, so c equals to 1 implies c equals to 1. We get the value of constant is c. C equals to 1. So just put the value in this. This is the solution. So the particular solution is given by this y equals to half log x plus 1 x square plus 1 cube minus half tan inverse x plus 1 c equals to 1. Since c equals to 1. Okay, this is our solution. Particular solution means you have to first find solution of differential equation as a y, the value of y equal to function of x, and there will be one constant, and you have to find the constant by using that condition. There will be a condition for particular solution. By using this condition, that is why x equal to 0, then y equals to 1. Here x equal to 0 and y equals to 1. Put and solve it, you can get the value of c, and put the value of c in this equation. So that will be the particular solution. So question 11. 1 x square x plus 1 square plus cube here just here 1 by 2 common, then 3 by 2, no 1 by 4 common, just sorry 1 by 4 common, here 1 by 4 common, okay, 1 by 4 common, then here 2, 1 by 4 common, here 2 of this, so a square, clear? So here is square. Solution is this. Okay, sorry. Here 1 by 4 is common. Then 2 times of this. So 2 go to the power. X plus 1 square, and this is the solution. Okay. X plus 1 square, x square plus 1 cube minus of this. Clear? So this is the method for finding particular solution. You have to solve first integration, differential equation, and get the value of y in terms of x, and then use the condition for finding constant, and after finding constant, put the value of constant in this equation, in general equation. This is general equation, and you can get particular solution. There is no constant. So c equals to 1. Okay. So similarly, we can solve 12, 13, 14. So here, question 12, just we can see how can we solve question 12. So just proceed like this method. Okay. So take question 12. 12 can be solved. Here given y equals to 0 when x equals to 2. Question 12, this is the condition. Here condition is this, and equation. Question 12 equation is x square minus 1 divided by dx equal to 1. x square minus 1 divided by dx equals to 1. Okay, y equal to 0 when x equal to 2. So very simple question. This is so same as a similar method you can solve it. So just I will give hint for this question. So you have to do it. Okay, from yourself. Clear? So here this question very simple. Just like previous question. What we can write? dy equals to dx, and this means 1 upon x square minus 1 dx. This type of questions. And integrating both sides, here dy means y equals to integration of 1 upon x minus 1, x plus 1. It can be factorized. X square minus 1, x square minus b square, x minus 1, x plus 1, and dx plus c. Now it can be partially fracted. Very simple. This is equals to what? A by x, b by x minus 1, c by x plus 1, 1 upon x minus 1, x plus 1 equals to this. Now you can get the value of a, b, c and put here and finally integrate. Then you can get log x minus 1, log x plus 1 with some constant. Then you can adjust it upon all are log, so you can put take it just like log k. Then so log of something equals to y and put the condition 0 here, x equal to 2. Then from here you can get the value of constant and finally put the value of constant in the equation. Okay, same method, just like same. So do it from your side. Okay, now question 13. Question 13 here. What is question 13? Cos dy by dx equal to a belongs to r, y equal to 1, x equal to 0. Y equals to 1, x equals to 0. And here given equation is very simple. Cos dy by dx equals to a belongs to r. Cos dy upon dx equals to a. And here a belongs to r means a is any real number. A is any real number means a is just like constant. Okay, it is not a variable. So its solution is simple, very simple. Why? Because this is also first order differential equation. So we can write this dy upon dx equals to cos inverse a is real number any. So this is as a constant we can suppose cos inverse a. So here separable form. So dy equals to what? Cos inverse a into dx, integrating both sides. Integrating both sides, we get what? Integration of dy equals to integration of cos inverse a dx. Here cos inverse a means constant value. Cos inverse a integration of dx. That is what? Cos inverse a into x y. Where is it? Plus constant plus some constant c plus some constant c plus some constant c. Now we have to find the value of constant from here. This is equation 1. Okay. Since y equals to 1 when x equals to 0. So use this x equal to 0, y equal to 1 here. Therefore y equals to 1 equals to x equals to 0 here. Cos inverse a into 0 plus c. So we see that c equals to 1. Here this is 0, c equals to 1. So put this value in 1. Putting c equals to 1 in equation 1, you get particular solution as here in equation 1, y equals to cos inverse a into x plus 1. Now you can write it in simplified form. Y minus 1 equals to cos inverse a x, that is cos inverse a equals to y minus 1 upon x, that is a equals to cos of y minus 1 upon x. This is our solution. Cos of y minus 1 upon x equals to a. This is our final solution. You can simplify it. Okay. So this is required solution of question 13. Okay. 14 is also this type of question. So when y equal to 1, y equal to 1 when x equals to 0, and dy by d equal to y 10x. So 14, question 14 is also like this. Question 14. What is given? Dy by dx equals to, condition is this, and dy by dx equals to dy upon dx equals to y 10x. This is the equation 14. Okay, 14. Dy by dx equals to y 10x. Y equal to 1 when x equal to 0. This is condition. So it can be also solved by which method? Variable and separable. All the questions of this exercise are very separable, variable separable form. So here x and y are just also as a function of x and y are multiplication, as a multiplication. So variable or separable form. So you can solve this as a similar manner. Okay. So what? dy upon y, take y with dy here, transfer to here, and dx is here. So 10x dx, very well separable. Now we can integrate. Integrating on both sides. We get what? Integration of 1 upon y dy equals to integration of 10x dx plus some constant. Okay. So condition is this. Here 1 upon y means log y. Here also 10 means what? Integration of 10x equals to minus log cos x. That is log sec x. We can write minus log cos x. C can be written as log of k. From beginning, take log k. Because we know here we will get log, here also log. So integration of 10x is minus log cos x. So we can write like this: log of y equals to log of sec x. How? Minus 1 go to the power 1 by cos sec log sec x plus log k. So we can write log of y equals to log of k into sec x, implies y equals to k into sec x. This is our general solution with constant k. Now we have to find this value of this constant by using condition. Since it is given that y equals to 1 when x equals to 0, so from 1 we get from this equation y1 x 0. So y1 k sec of 0 means what? 1 equals to k, because sec 0 equals to 1. Sec 0 equals to 1. So implies k equals to 1. Thus, the particular solution, is what? Thus the particular solution is k equals to 1 put in this equation is y equals to sec x. This is our solution. K equals to 1, y equals to sec x. Y equals to sec x. Okay, so this is solution of question 40. Okay. Now, question 15, see question 15. 15 is given just like, find the equation of a curve passing through the point 0, 0 and whose differential equation is y dash equals to e to the power x sin x. Okay, so here, question 15. Condition is given, just like this condition is given as a whenever we find the solution of a differential equation, we get a general solution. And general solution contains arbitrary constants. With this arbitrary constant, the relation between x, y and constant represents family of curves. If you give particular value to the constant, then we get a particular curve. So particular solution means we get a particular curve. So particular curve passing through a point, that means what? Curve means relation between x and y, and passing through 0, 0, that means what? Curve passing through 0, 0 means 0, 0 satisfy the equation of curve, that is x equals to 0, y equals to 0, and by satisfying that point we can get value of arbitrary constants. So that is the condition. Okay, so here curve passing through the point 0, 0, that means x equal to 0, y equal to 0, we have to put for finding arbitrary constants, because first of all we get family of curves. So here differential equation is given what? Y dash equals to e to the power x sin x, 15. Given differential equation is y dash equals to e to the power x sin x. Okay, and we have to find a curve passing through this point, and differential equation of that curve is given this. Its solution is the family of curve, and that curve passing through that point, that is after putting the point, that is x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and we can get constant. So here just solving this condition is x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Okay, so here we can write dy upon dx equals to y dash means dy by dx, e to the power x sin x. So variable separable form we see that here. So dy equals to e to the power x sin x dx, integrating on both side, we get what? Integration of dy equals to integration of e to the power x sin x dx plus some constant c. Now for integration of this, what will be the method? E to the power x, second function, this is first function. This is by parts, we have product of two function. Here e to the power x present, so this is second function. Highlight method. Okay, sin x, first function. So first function into integration of second. First function integration of second e to the power x integration into e to the power x integration of e to the power x into the power x minus integration of differentiation of first function sine cos x and integration of second e to the power x dx plus c. Again using by parts. So here this is first function, this is second function. Clear? This is first function. For this question, just suppose this is equation 1. Now we see that integration of e to the power x sin x dx equals to, this is second function, this is first function. Just wait, this is equation 1 suppose, and now we see that integration of this is equals to this. We see that this, suppose this is equals to I. Suppose this is, now we see that I equals to, just suppose this is equals to I. So now we see that I equals to this integral equals to this. Okay. For solving this integral, again use by parts here. So we get like this, sin x e to the power x minus of, again by parts, first function cos x into integration of second minus integration of differentiation of first function, that is minus cos x, sin x into e to the power x dx. Okay, we get this by parts. So this is equals to e to the power x into sin x minus cos x e to the power x minus plus and minus integration of e to the power x sin x dx. Okay, this is I equals, I means this. Here, this is I, this is also I. Okay, this is also I. So, 2I equals to, this is what? This I. So, minus I, transfer to left hand side, 2I equals to, e to the power x common, we get sin x minus cos x. So, here I equals to half e to the power x sin x minus cos x. I means what? This integral means this integral. So from equation 1, this is equation 1, was the equation 1. So from equation 1 we get, equation 1 was what? Integral of dy, that is y, equals to integration of this I equal to this e to the power x sin x minus cos x plus constant. This is from equation 1. Clear? Now we have to find the value of 1 by 2. Here also 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Okay. Now we have to find the value of constant. Since this is the general curve, that is family of curves. Okay. We get this, which is general solution, and it represents family of curves and we have to find the equation of curve which passes through 0, 0. Okay, which is general solution and it represents family of curves because of this constant. We have to find now. We have to find the equation of curve which passes through origin. That is y equals to 0 when x equals to 0. Here we see both are 0. Y equals to 0 when x equals to 0. So from 2 we get y equals to 0 half e to the power x equals to 0 sin 0 minus cos 0 plus c. So we can solve it. 0 equals to half 0 minus 1 plus c. So c equals to what? Here c equals to half. C equals to half. Clear? Now put c equals to half in this, then you can get particular solution. Thus, putting c equals to half in 2, we get the equation of particular curve as y equals to half sin x minus cos x plus half. So this is our solution. Okay, this is question 15. Okay. This is our final solution. So this type of condition is also given, passing through some point, or in other form condition will be given and you have to find constant after finding general solution and then put the value of constant in the general solution. That will be the particular solution. Okay, so this is solution of 15. Take also question 16. For the differential equation this, find the solution curve passing through the point 1 minus 1. Also 15 is just similar type of questions with 16. So here question 16 is just like this. 16 given differential equation is what? xy dy by dx equal to x plus 2 y plus 2. xy dy by dx equals to x plus 2 y plus 2, x plus 2 and y plus 2. This is differential equation, x plus 2 y plus 2. Solution curve. Find solution curve which passing through minus 1, 1 minus 1. Which passing through 1 minus 1. So here 1 minus 1 means y equals to 1 and x equals to minus 1. By using that condition, we have to find constant. First of all, we have to find general solution. Then from that general solution we can get particular solution for curve. Okay, So here xy, yy, dy by dy is equal to this, just like this is also separable form because x and y are as a multiplication. So we can write like this, put function related to y in with dy. So we can write dy means y upon y plus 2, just like this. Y dy upon y plus 2 is equals to x plus 2 upon x dx, separable form. So passing point is what? 1 minus 1. Passing through 1 minus 1. We have to use for constant. Here integrating on both sides. So here y upon y plus 2 dy equals to integration of x plus 2 by x dx plus constant. So right hand side is simple. How? 1 plus 2 by x dx plus c. And left hand side, how can we adjust it? Here, by dividing, just like this, y plus 2 minus 1, y plus 2 minus 2, we can write y plus 2 minus 2, and here y plus 2, we can write 2 minus 2. So, 1 minus 2 by y plus 2. Okay. Here we can write integration of y 2 minus 2 upon y plus 2 dy. We can set it. Clear? Now here y plus 2 is divided by here 1 integration 1 minus 2 by y plus 2 dy. And right hand side integration of 1 dx plus integration of 2 by x dx plus c. So we can solve it. Integration of y dy minus 2 of integration of y plus 2 dy equals to integration of dx plus 2 integration of 1 by x dx plus c. C, we see here that no c, okay, c. So write like this, y minus log of minus 2 log of y plus 2, here minus 2, this is 1 upon y plus 2 log y plus 2 equals to x plus 2 log x plus c. Okay, now just simplify it, more simplify. Okay, so here y minus x equals to 2 log y plus 2, go to the right hand side. So 2 log y plus 2 plus 2 log x plus c. So we can write here log of y plus 2 square plus log of x square plus c, log of y plus 2 square x square plus c, y minus x will get like this. Now this is our general solution. Clear? This is our general solution, and this y minus x equal to this, here is a constant c. So we have to find the value of this constant by using the condition that which is general solution representing family of curves. So for getting solution curve which passes through 1 minus 1, put y equals to minus 1 when x equals to 1. Here x equals to 1, y equals to minus 1 in 1. We get what? Y equals to minus 1 here, minus 1 minus x equal to 1 minus 1 equals to log of y minus 1 plus 2 square and x 1 square plus c. So here 2 minus 1, 1 square, 1 square, 1 log 1 0. This is 0. C equals to minus 2. Implies C equals to minus 2. Implies C equals to minus 2. So putting C equals to minus 2 in 1, we get the result. Thus, putting C equals to minus 2 in 1, we get the required solution as y minus x plus 2. Y minus x, here minus 2, come to here, y minus x plus 2 equals to log of x square y plus 2 square. So this is our solution. Okay, so question 16, y minus x plus 2 equal to log square y plus 2 square. Okay, so this is particular solution. Satisfying condition passing through the 1 minus 1. Okay, so just today we have completed the solution of 6 questions. So you have to reply me by making PDF of at least solution of 3 questions for your attendance. Okay, and try to remaining questions, and in the next class I will solve remaining questions. Okay, so differential equation is important. This exercise is based on variable of separable form. Very simple method. This is the first method or very simple method. So try to solve some questions and send me PDF file for your attendance. Okay.